Hey everyone, so last time we were out on our way back to the storage facility on our trailer. We were in a construction zone and caught a cone, apparently with the handle that was on here, and it got pulled off and it broke the gray tank valve before we could park, and we lost what little bit of water we had in there, which is fine. It was just water with a sanitizer thing in it. So today we're going to be replacing this valve. I'm going to show you how it works. It's kind of easy. It's just 4 bolts, it slides out, and then it goes back in and gets bolted on. Here's the new part. It's got rubber seals on both sides, and the little valve that goes in and out. We're going to get that in there. I'll show you what we do. Might be a little bit dark here. I'm not sure. I apologize if it is. I didn't bring any lights with me. First thing we're going to do is put on some gloves. Get into our little kit here. Looks like it's 10mm of fit. Looks like it's apparently a 3/8, but 10 will fit. Start by taking the 4 nuts off. There's 2. There's 3. There's number 4. There is the valve. Let me see if I got the right one. I may not have. Take the old seals off. The new valve should go right in here. Lines up. The seals are good. Bolts all lined back up. the nuts started on all of these. Those started. All tightened down here. In there. Valve goes in and out. I'll put a little water in there and then we'll check it for leaks and stuff. But that's how easy it is to change. We're going to put some water in it and put a little more sanitizer in it and make sure everything's sealed up. Okay, so we're back out here. We put a little water in the tank. It's been a few minutes. We got no more leaks down here where we had them. little residual in here from the initial leak in the cap here, but we're gonna make sure the valve works. Kind of, it opens and closes, keeps the water from dripping, and it works. We have no more leaks. That's how we change the gate valve on the gray tank, on our holding tanks. Black valve would be similar, it's just back here, a little larger valve. And I clipped it with a cone because it does stick out a little past the trailer. Nobody to blame but myself, but it's all fixed, and I'll be a little more careful. Thanks for watching.